Enjoy the Outdoors Safely by Molly Jane LeBay. Routes About. My idea is to make an app that has safe routes to different places. By safe, I mean all of the routes are safe in neighborhoods and not crossing main roads. I will make money by having a premium pass. This means there will be 2 free routes to try, then the rest you'll have to have a pass for. I will find these routes by having a team go through neighborhoods and record where they back up to. After we have about 8 or so routes for each city, we will expand to different cities like Rochester. This is Samantha Zahner. Samantha likes bike riding places during the summer. One of her favorite places to bike ride is JC Park. The problem. Most parents, including Samantha's, don't want their kids crossing main roads without an adult or friend. This stops kids from going places that you have to cross main roads for. The solution. My solution is this app. This app shows safe routes to get places without crossing main roads so parents don't have to worry. My research. Among 4.7 million kids own bikes in the U.S. These kids vary from ages 6 to 12. They participate in bike riding 16% of that population. If we added something fun to bike riding like going to a store or a park, then maybe more kids would be interested in riding bikes. This would also get kids off electronics and into biking. Do kids still ride bikes? Bike riding among kids had dropped almost 20% since 2007. So in 2008, you can see it reached its highest peak of 27.7%. Then in 2018, you can see it move down to 15.7%. But in 2020, you can see it's starting to go up again because like the pandemic and everyone like doing more outside and stuff. So Routes has 2 different sections that you can choose from, Routes and Place. Here's my prototype. So this is the app icon. You just press on it. And then welcome to Routes. Then we'll go to Routes first. So it says pick a route, then you can pick Potter Park, JC, or Troy Union Elementary School. So we'll go to JC, and then you can see the route and how you get there through all the neighborhoods and everything. So then here's places. So Escape Bowling Alley and Alibis of Troy. So if you press on it, you can see how to get there through Emerald Lakes. And then both routes and places should have physical features like lakes and stuff in case you want to like swim or whatever on the way there. So that shows like Emerald Lakes. And then obviously street names, so then you know where you're going and everything. My competition is Google Maps. Google Maps does not ensure they have safe routes. They just show the quickest way to get places. But Routes makes it so parents don't have to worry and kids can have fun. Here's my prototyping process. So this is my beginning idea. You can see it's like kind of my thought process of how I put it together on a whiteboard. And then this is my first digital copy. You can kind of see I added a lot of words and the actual highlighted routes and stuff weren't that easy to see. And then after I met with a marketing worker and went into the Shark Tank, I kind of fixed up my project and everything to what it is today. So then the future of routes, as I was in the Shark Tank, they talked about if I added like a tracker inside of the app, it might make parents feel more comfortable, like so then they could know where their kids are and everything. And then expanding to other cities so then that like eventually they could connect and stuff like Rochester, Detroit, Birmingham, Dearborn, and etc. And then also if you could put like exact location, which would take a lot of Microsoft. But so then why should you invest? This will keep kids off electronics, introduce kids to fun outdoor sports, make it easy for kids to meet up with friends, parents won't have to drive their kids everywhere, and kids will be healthy because they exercised. Routes. Enjoy the outdoors safely.